The Maharashtra cabinet on Thursday decided to lift all the COVID-19 restrictions across the state effective from April 2nd. The relaxations comes amid a steep decline in COVID-19 cases and revocation of the provisions of the Disaster Management Act by the centre. Health Minister Rajesh Tope said that the state is reporting 700 to 800 COVID cases while the positivity rate is 4%. The decision to withdraw all curbs was taken as per the guidelines from the central government and consultation with the COVID task force. Chief Minister and Cabinet decided that from April 2nd, that is Gudi Padwa, Epidemic Act and Disaster Management Act will be withdrawn, Rajesh Tope said. Wearing of face mask will be voluntary from April 2nd. Masks and double vaccination will no longer be mandatory for people travelling in Mumbai local trains. Health Minister Rajesh Tope also added that just because compulsions have been withdrawn doesn't mean that people should not use precautions. Bengal has withdrawn all the COVID curbs that were earlier imposed to arrest the spread of coronavirus in the state. However, it will retain the advisory on health and hygiene protocols in public places. There will be no restrictions on vehicular movement at night between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. as well. Earlier in the day, Maharashtra too announced the lifting of COVID restrictions. Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan had returned to states, underlining the importance of continuing to implement and monitor necessary measures so as not to lose the gains made so far in the fight against coronavirus. The centre has decided to reduce the areas under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act in Nagaland, Assam and Manipur after decades of disturbance, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said. Starting tomorrow, the disturbed area notification will be removed from 15 police stations in 7 districts in Nagaland, the centre said. 23 districts of Assam will be completely removed and 1 partially removed from the effect of AFSPA from tomorrow. In Manipur, 15 police station areas of 6 districts will be excluded from the disturbed area notification from tomorrow. Compared to 2014, militancy incidents in the year 2021 have reduced by 74%. Similarly, deaths of security personnel and civilians have also come down by 60% and 84% respectively in this period, the centre said in a statement. The last date of AADHAR-PAN linking is here and you need to complete the procedures on Thursday in order to avoid a penalty. The Income Tax Department has said that non-linking of Aadhaar with PAN by March 31, 2022 would attract a penalty of up to 1,000 rupees. However, such a permanent account number, that is PAN, will remain functional for 1 more year till March 2023 for filing income tax returns, claiming refund and other IT procedures. The central government had made it mandatory for taxpayers to link their Aadhaar with PAN with effect from July 1, 2017. However, the apex decision-making body on direct taxes, the Central Board of Direct Taxes, had extended the deadline for linking Aadhaar with PAN several times in the last 5 years. Finally, the deadline had been fixed on March 31, 2022. Vivek Agnihotri's directorial venture, The Kashmir Files, has done the unthinkable at the box office. It has united people and emerged as one of the biggest hits in Bollywood. Now the film is set to release in United Arab Emirates. Director Vivek Agnihotri said that an Islamic country, after 4 weeks of scrutiny, has passed it, while some Indians are calling the film Islamophobic. The Kashmir Files has crossed the 250 crore rupees mark worldwide at the box office. Now, in a major achievement, the film has been passed in UAE, that too without any cuts. It will also release in Singapore soon. Vivek Agnihotri took to Twitter to share this news with his fans and followers.